Did you know you can earn a real online degree on Coursera and in some cases get a scholarship or financial support to reduce the cost? In this video, I'll show you how to apply step by step. Before we start, if you're also considering Coursera Plus for certificates, there may be a limited time discount available, and I'll leave my link in the description so you can check it anytime. Quick reminder, Coursera scholarships work differently depending on what you're doing. Regular courses and professional certificates often use financial aid, but degrees are run by universities and they usually have their own scholarship rules. Start by opening Coursera and going to the degrees section. Pick the exact degree you want, then scroll through the tuition, requirements, and the admissions page. Most degree programs list financing options, payment plans, or scholarships somewhere on that page. Here's the key. Coursera hosts the degree, but the university decides the scholarships. So you'll usually need to visit the university's official page or the program's admissions page to find scholarship details. A common mistake is thinking you can just click financial aid like a normal course. For degrees, you usually apply for support after you start the admissions process or after you get accepted, depending on the university. To improve your chances, focus on a strong application. That means your statement of purpose should be clear, your goals should make sense, and your background should match the program. If you've completed relevant Coursera courses before applying, that can also help you look more serious. If the program doesn't offer enough support, don't stop there. Some learners pay using employer sponsorship, government programs, or third-party scholarships in their country. So always search scholarship options outside Coursera as well. So that's how you get a scholarship for a degree on Coursera. Choose the degree, check the university's rules, apply through admissions, and strengthen your application. And if you want to see current Coursera offers for certificates, I'll leave my link in the description. Thanks for watching.